Hey everybody, this is from footage that I took a couple years ago. The guitar is an Ibanez S621QM, and here is the unboxing video. All right, so here's my box, the Ibanez box. I just kind of grabbed this and then ran over, put it on top of the piano, because I was just excited to open it up and see what's inside. All wrapped up in styrofoam. The other thing that the store included was a T-shirt, obviously a great freebie, and I'll have a link to them later on. I also ordered some strings, but that's it. Basically, the guitar all nicely wrapped up, and I'll pull it out in a minute here, and you'll see. It comes with the standard instruction manual or the warranty card. Put it on the chair, get rid of the box, and then here I have it. Now, I don't actually open it on camera here because I was trying to hold my smartphone in one hand and just open up the packaging with the other hand, which is actually extremely difficult. So instead, I'm just going to fade to white here, and we'll show it on my lap. And this is it, my Dragon's Eye Ibanez. Of course, I still got the plastic wrap over the pickups. So yeah, I went with the fixed bridge because on my Stratocaster, for example, I don't even really use the tremolo, and I certainly didn't want to have to bother with like a Floyd Rose system. I'm not really that interested in the effects that you can get. This gives me an instrument that's more about picking and more about precision, which is what I'm looking to incorporate into my playing anyway. So we've got the 5-way selector switch, which is smooth enough, but also indicates where you are well enough, which is nice. It's not chunky, but it's not too buttery. It's nice and smooth. So the 5-way selector switch, switching between the neck pickup and the bridge pickup. So number 1 position bridge, number 5 position is neck. Middle is the 2 humbuckers playing at the same time. I'm not sure how the second position works, but it gives that fuller Stratocaster sound. It says humbucker is parallel connected, whereas the number 4 position breaks the humbuckers up and then just plays the 2 center as single coils. I really like the inlays, just the small off-white dots, but they're not centered on the fretboard. They're just off to the left-hand side. And of course, you got the nice matte maple neck on it, which is great for faster playing. You don't worry about your thumb getting hung up on it. Having said that, I do also enjoy a gloss finish on the neck, but the matte maple finish is really nice. And in the back, you get that mahogany appearance with the 6-string inputs, like the early Telecasters. The neck bolts to the body with 4 bolts, nice and secure. And then, of course, you've got the cover for the electronics on the back as well. And this is it, the S621QM, and the color variation is Dragon Eye Burst. It's not an expensive guitar. It's not fancy, but it's absolutely perfect and exactly what I was looking for. I'll just go through the specs quickly. Neck type is a Wizard 3 maple neck. The body is quilted maple top with a Meranti body. Kind of looks like mahogany on the back. It's really nice looking. The fretboard is rosewood fretboard with offset white dot inlays. 24 jumbo frets. F106 bridge. String spacing at 10.5 millimeters. The Ibanez are really great for their string spacing. So you can really kind of get your fingers into more of the neoclassical style, which is great. Quantum neck pickup and quantum bridge pickup. Okay, and then here's the switching system. So the 5-way selector switch switching between the neck pickup and the bridge pickup. So number 1 position bridge, number 5 position is neck. Middle is the 2 humbuckers playing at the same time. I'm not sure how the second position works, but it gives that fuller Stratocaster sound. It says humbucker is parallel connected, so I'm not sure if that just reverses the polarity on the two of them. I'm not really sure how it works. Whereas the number 4 position breaks the humbuckers up and then just plays the 2 center as single coils. So that's the instrument. I'm extremely happy with it. Another thing I didn't mention is the weight. It's a very light guitar, so it's very comfortable to hold, whether it's on your knee or on a strap. It's just very, very comfortable to play. The next video, hopefully, I'll just give you an idea of what the guitar sounds like. I'll see you in the next video.